check on my shelter. It's been out here for, since October now. And now that we have some snow, I wanted to see how it's holding up. We've had lots of snow, wind, rain, minus 30, and it seems fine so far. So I'm in my shelter now. I just set up the stovepipe, and you can see the weight of the snow. It's kind of caved in the side walls there a little bit. So I think next time I'm going to put a bit more cross beams in. I've got one there, which definitely helps. Now I'm going to cut up some firewood and get a fire started in here. So I've got the fire roasting in here now. Got my vents opened up. And what I'll probably do today is fix up the shelter, tidy up in here. There's a bunch of firewood outside that I'll probably bring in and stack up. Test out my urban survival kit. Quite a bit different since I made a video on it probably 6 or 8 months ago. A lot more stuff in there now. So as you can see, I put in a bit more cross bracing. Really opened it up in here. Still kind of sagging on the bottom, but that's okay. So you can definitely hear the weather changing outside. It's getting pretty windy, and it was starting to snow there for a while. So I'm all bundled up. I'm just going to have a little rest before I leave. I still got to cover up all the vents, take down my stovepipe, and that kind of stuff. But I'm just laying on my bed of spruce boughs. I'm going to have a little nap.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell
So you'll get a notification
as soon as a new video is uploaded.
and we hope to
Catch you guys on another video.